Hi everyone, and welcome to our Grow Fast, Drive Profit webinar. Today's topic is Bill of Materials, which will be presented by our senior ERP subject matter expert, Mark Hughes. Mark has more than 20 years of experience in the ERP field, working with growing companies to streamline internal operations and achieve their business vision. And with that, Mark, please take it away.
Thank you, Cherry. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our attendees. I can see you're from various parts of the world, so as I say, welcome to you. As Cherry's mentioned, this is part of a webinar series that we do on a weekly basis or a bi-weekly basis. Really designed as some teasers to give you some thoughts and ideas about the topics we're going to cover. And of course, if you want to know more, our contact details are at the end, and really encourage you to reach out and speak to me, get in contact and ask if you'd like to see some more. Today's topic is all about bills of material, why accurate bills of materials are important and how you get accurate bills of materials and so on, or as I like to think about it, what do I need to make the right stuff? Really going to be focusing on that. Going to start off with some real basics, and apologies because I'm sure everybody on the call is fully aware of what a bill of material is, but just to kind of recap and think about it, what is a bill of materials? Sometimes called a product structure, but really it's a list of all of the assemblies, sub-assemblies and components required to manufacture something. So in this case, picked an example that relates to none of you on the call. I don't think we've got any bicycle manufacturers on there, but how do I make a bike? A bike is made up of three assemblies: a handlebar assembly, frame assembly and a seat assembly, shown in the second level down in blue. If I drill into the frame assembly, then that's made up of two things: a frame itself and wheels, and the wheels are made of spokes and tires and tire rims and all of those, and the frame is made of aluminium and paint. So this is kind of the concept: multi-level bill of materials consisting of sub-assemblies of components. So in there, my orange ones at the very bottom are my components, my raw materials, the things that I would purchase into the business. My green level is a sub-assembly level, and it may well be that some of those are purchased into the business or they're manufactured. And then my blue, my final sort of level before finished assembly. So that's what at its rawest, a bill of materials is a list of components or ingredients, because a bill of materials can be called a recipe, fundamentally exactly the same thing, that define how an end product is going to be made. What constitutes a bill of material, or what has to be on there as a minimum? So fundamentally, a bill of